Hey friends, in this video let's demonstrate how we can have AWS Lambda Rest API use a DynamoDb database. Let's start by creating the DynamoDb table. So create table here, and this is the name we're going to use, my task DynamoDb table, and the ID, partition key is going to be ID, and we don't need anything else, so we create the table. Let's create the Lambda function. Create a function. We'll use a blueprint. We'll use the blueprint with DynamoDB, Node.js, my task API. We'll create a new role, my task role. We'll skip the API gateway and create the function. The function comes with some nice boilerplate that we can definitely use. So here are the imports. We create a new DynamoDB object, and then we can use it to delete, scan, put, update, etc. In our project, we have this fake in-memory database, but we actually want a DynamoDB database. So let's copy this and create a new file. Let's call it DynamoDB database. And let's paste in here the fake database. Let's then copy this into our code. Let's rename this DynamoDB. Let's add here a constant for the table name. Let's remove all the in-memory things. For getting the tasks, it might be something simple like this. We scan the table and then return all the items. Finding by ID is also straightforward. We get by the key, which is the ID, and then return the items. Creating a new task is slightly more complex. We create a new task with a new UUID, the needed fields, and then we call put here with the item as the new task. Updating a task is very similar. We create a new object because we don't want any extra fields, and then we call put again. Simple as that. Delete is very similar to the get. We just call delete with the key as the ID. I added some naive error handling so that we can see more easily if something is wrong in CloudWatch. Lastly, we need to change our index file, so it's importing the DynamoDB database. Let's call my custom build script to build and package everything into a zip file. Let's now upload the zip file. Let's now test the function. Here are some arguments I created to create a new task. So we go here into test, and we replace this, and we test, and the result, success. And now let's try fetching all tasks. We replace this, and we invoke it, and the outcome, 200, and the body, it's working. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. As you see, it's easy to use DynamoDB with a Lambda function. I'll attach the code in the video description so you can try this out. Thank you.